Hey, what's up, guys? Learning with Rich here. So, for today's topic, I'm going to teach you how, or I'm going to show you how I applied for a skilled migrant category resident visa in New Zealand. Okay, so I just recently saw the result from online checking about my residency, and it's already approved. So that's why I'm here creating this video to at least give you an idea how I applied for it. Okay, so the step one is I took the examination for the PTE. Okay, so this is for the English language proficiency. So you just need to go to the website and book for the schedule, and then after that you pay for the amount of 385. So you need to have 58 points, and your spouse needs to get 36. Okay, for the principal, you need to have 58, and then your spouse needs 36. 36. So before I took the examination, so what I did is I went to YouTube and review for 2 weeks straight. I think every day for 2 weeks for about 2 hours. And then the website is E2 language. Okay, so you just need to go to YouTube and then type E2 language PTE, and then you'll be able to see their website there. So it's a pretty nice website, YouTube channel, which is hosted by Jay, and it really helps me a lot passing the PTA exam. Okay, so again, the cost for this is 385. So for you and for your wife or for your husband, so it's 770. All right. So once you have passed, the result is needed on the expression of interest, EOI. This is the one that you need to fill out for your application, and it's in part D, English language ability. So during my time, it might change on your time, okay? So it can be on part E, English language ability, or part C, English language ability. But in my case, it's part D. So hopefully it will not change. Okay, so you just need to check it out. You'll be able to see that. So once you fill out your EOI. Now, after passing the examination, the step two is assessment time. Okay, so you need to get more points from your international qualification because let's say, for example, you're a Filipino, you graduated in Philippines, and you want your grades or your school, your diploma or your degree to be uh, qualified. Okay, it needs to be assessed by the New Zealand government. So you need to go to the NZQA website, which is the New Zealand qualification assessment website. So I will be putting all the links that I have used here. And you look for the qualifications assessment, international qualification assessment. Okay, so you need to submit the certified true copy. Okay, so here in New Zealand, there's this it's like an attorney. They called it Justice of Peace, the JPs. So they are the ones who certified true copy my papers, which is the passport, my transcript of records, and my diploma. Okay, so you need to submit that to the IQA. So you need to again apply for the IQA. Just go to their website and then look for IQA, and you need to submit the cover page, which can you download from their website. The passport details, the transcript of records, and then the diploma. Okay, all these should be certified true copy by the Justice of Peace or even an attorney. Okay, as long as it is certified true copy. All right. So submitted. So mine, I submitted this on December 29 and got the result on February 15. So do the math. How long did it take? It just so happened that during the time I submitted, its company shut down. Holiday. That's why it took almost 2 months or 2 months to get the result. So it's level 7. And I got, I think, 30 points or 40 points from that one, which is very huge because during my time, it's only 165 points. So having your international qualification assessed as level 7, it's a huge help already. Okay. All right. So the cost is 746. Okay. So you need to pay that 746. So once you get the result, again, you will be needing the result on your EOI or expression of interest. So it's in part F, recognize qualifications. So again, during my time, it's on part F. It might change on your time. Okay. Next. So after the NZQA, that's the time I fill out the expression of interest. Okay. Actually, to be honest, while I'm doing my PTE and NZQA, I already applied for the EOI. I already create an account because you can do that. Okay. So I think it would be better you create an account first and fill out that one little by little while you are doing your PTE and then your IQA. So you just need to go to their website and create an account and then just fill out all the details of the expression of interest. Okay? Fill out the details. So during my time, in order for you to get an approval, you need to get 165 points. Okay? I'm going to put the link here on the video description so that you'll be able to see it online. Okay, so if you get the required points, which is 165 points, okay, last part of the application is submission, and you need to pay $550. Okay, during the time you are filling out your EOI, you can save it. Let's say, for example, you don't have yet the score of the PTE or the result of the IQA. You can just save your EOI, and then after that, just log in again the next time. So once you have the result of your PTE. So basically, you can fill out your EOI little by little. Okay. But I would suggest it would be better if you get more than the required points. Like, for example, in my case, I need 165 points, but the total points I got is 200 plus. Or I think it's 200, so it's more than enough. So just to make sure, because sometimes they are not honoring some of your experiences, so some points will be deducted on your total points. So it's really dangerous. So it would be better just to make sure you have more than enough points, okay, before you submit your EOI. Okay, so once you submit your EOI, you just need to wait for the reply from the immigration. Okay, so if you are lucky, you will receive an email from the immigration with ITA, which is invitation to apply, with attachments, with other attachments. So aside from ITA, you will be receiving also other attachments to fill that out. Okay, and including to the attachments, I think it includes there the link that you need to fill out, and you need to pay 2,470. Okay, so once you submit your ITA together with the other documents, so you need to pay again 2,470. Okay, so that's it. All right, so once submitted, after you pay 2,400, so once submitted to the immigration, wait for the assigned officer to contact you. So there will be a person that will contact you and personally assess your application. Okay, so you just need to give to them what they are asking. So let's say they are asking for more details about your relationship. So they are very strict on this one with your relationship with your wife. Okay, because in my case, they asked for it. Okay, what is the history of me and my wife? Okay, so you better save a lot of pictures that goes back years before you met with your wife or your husband. Okay, so if you do have some letters from your friend, okay, and You can also write history or the time frame of your relationship. Okay, so it would be better. Even the Facebook photo, you can show it to them. Okay, again, just make sure all of these are certified true copy by the JP. Okay, so once you are done, once you gave all the things that the case officer asks from you, so you just need to wait for 3 to 9 months. I think 3 to 9 months that will suffice, because in my case it's 5 months. Okay, and pray hard, because during this time only God can help you. All right. So hopefully you learned something from this video. So if you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, just put it in the comment section below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Once again, thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day.